Hi, this is Jamie from Master Addons. This is an Elementor add-on plugin. It has a lot of free elements and extensions which are enough to create an awesome website. As it's a freemium plugin, you can download it from the WordPress plugin repo. If you want to get the pro version, then check the pricing page from our official website. Link is given below for both free and pro versions. In this video, I am going to talk about Master Addons Flipbox. Let's drag this Flipbox element. And this is the default Flipbox. You will see, if I hover, you will see how it's flipping. First, I am going to discuss about style preset. In style preset, you will see two options: design variation and animation style. I am going to discuss in details about the design variation. So this is the default look, and there is front image, diagonal, and front icon. If I select front image, you will see choose an image option. Now I need to upload an image in style. Then front box, and here is the option choose an image. I need to click and set an image here. Now you see the changes. If I hover, you will see the content. Now let's go to the content, and from front image I am selecting diagonal, and you will see the image is gone. This is the diagonal variation. If you need to add an image in Flipbox, make sure to select front image, otherwise it will not working. Then let's select the front icon. Here you will see only the icon. If I hover, it will flip. And now I am going to discuss about animation style. It's impossible to discuss each animation style one by one within this short video, but I'm going to select some random animation style and will show you. Before doing that, I like to select the default look, and then from animation style, I like to select the cube top down animation. Now if I hover, you will see a nice cube top down effect. And now if I select another one, 3D flip, and hover, you will see an awesome 3D flip effect. So that's all about animation style. I recommend you to play with all of these options and select the best for your web page. Now let's navigate to front box. From front box, you can select your icon style, stacked or framed. I think framed will be fit properly here, and then the circle. Circle is good. Now need to change the icon. Okay, let's select this one, and here is your title, and here's some description. You can align the content by clicking on alignment. Then you can define your desired heading tag. Then let's go to the back box, same option, and let me do stacked for this icon. Stacked and circle. Let's change the icon to WhatsApp icon. Okay, not this one. Let's select a transparent background icon. Now let me hover, and you see the changes. You can also align this back box to center and center. Now let's go to the action button. Here you can change the button text and the button URL. That's all about the content area. Now let's navigate to the style part. The style part, border type. If you need a border, select solid or double or dotted or dashed, any one you need. I'm selecting solid, and the width, I think 2 pixels is perfect. Then the color, red one is perfect here. And then border radius, if I define 100, you see the border radius. Now let's unlink the value and remove top and bottom. Okay, this is a nice effect. If I hover, then you see the changes. Now let's go to the front box. and you can see the front box customization. Background type, you can apply gradient color here. Okay, and then for the second color, let me select a bluish color. Okay, then the location, let's increase the location, linear or radial. Okay, now let's move to the back box. The same options for back box and front box. You can change the title typography, description typography, icon color, icon size, everything you need. Then you will see the action button. You can change the text color, the typography, the background color for both normal and hover, then the border radius for both normal and hover. This is how Flipbox work, and if you face any problem regarding on this element, feel free to comment here. I will try my best to assist you. Make sure to download, install and active master add-ons from our official website or our WordPress plugin repo page. Otherwise, you can't work with our extensions and elements.